Second part is potential delay.
LSL 2201A. This will tell you that there is some problem, so you will do the troubleshooting and you will get it.
Level of the water is also big.
Imran, if this wall is closed, how do I come to know? First is SOP, second is the level, LSL, right? So this is why I've taken, no, LSL. I have taken here LSL. So we are good, we are safe. I don't want to make it LO. I don't want to make it locked open. High level will come in more flow will come. It will do later. Yeah. After this, if this pump is tripped, because this is circulation pump, then there is no flow and then no wash. So P2201A. P2201A trip, malfunction trip.
Yeah, back.
So potential delayed and process upset. If this pump trips, do we have alarm? Nobody is contributing, man. Anwar, you want to suspend the workshop and then go for lunch? Yeah, please, man. I mean, otherwise, if I'm talking, no use. So yeah, if pump 2201 it trips, how do I come to know? Do we have control room? Sorry? PSL is there. And do we get control room alarm? Only PSL. No, PSL will also help you. PSL will. PSL 2201A. If local alarm will not take a credit because operator is not there. No.
If it is locally, so then you have to have.
PSL also help you. If a pump is not running, that means there is a low pressure, and operator will come to know that, and we will take the. Sorry, if there is alarm, PSL, it's not local, it's a control room. Local. Then we cannot take. We cannot take.
We need a